After the preliminary test flight, the drone was sent off into the study area to take aerial photographs of the entire site. Now, this is a drone taking off and moving up into the sky, after which it will now move towards the study area and begin to take the photographs. But then you won't really see lots of the work in the field, because what we took into consideration are basically the takeoff and eventually the landing of the drone afterwards. So right now you can see that the drone is just a pinpoint in the sky on its way towards the destination or the commencement of the survey. Right now, you can see the drone coming back down to the sides. It's still a point in the sky, but gradually it's becoming larger as it moves back to the point from which it took off. Now the drone is a bit larger. You can see it within the glare of the patch of sunshine right there in the sky. Now it's coming right down to the ground, as you can see it. Now it's going to land on the landing pad from which it took off a couple of moments ago. And now here we are. It's there. Thanks for coming along with us.